I'm Sarah, the arty teacher, and I'm going to show you today how I've made this little cardboard sculpture inspired by the beautiful buildings of Amsterdam. Believe it or not, it started life as the cardboard box that the toothpaste comes in. You need to carefully open the box so you can draw on the inside. In each section of the box, I'm going to draw a different building. I'm not drawing from my imagination. I'm looking really carefully at real pictures of buildings from Amsterdam. I'm trying to capture the detail as accurately as I can. The buildings I'm using as reference line the canals of Amsterdam. These houses were often tall and slim, as, when they were built, there was limited space by the canal side. They were often owned by rich merchants. You can still see today that the houses have a beam or pulley that was used to hoist goods up into the attic. Once you've finished sketching things in place in pencil, you may want to tidy things up with a ruler, just a little bit. But when you start drawing in pen, you mustn't use a ruler, because drawings created with a ruler look really flat and lifeless. Have you ever noticed that when you look at a building, the windows often look darker? I'm using lots of little tiny hatching marks to shade in the windows. I'm doing each pane of glass individually. This part of the building that I'm drawing now is called a gable. It's roughly triangular in shape. Many of the canal side buildings in Amsterdam are famous for their highly decorative gables. To finish off, I'm using a ruler to rule lines between each building to make them look separate. It's now time to construct your sculpture. I'm drawing semicircles as I want the flaps at the bottom to be neat. You also need to cut around the top of your drawing. Be really careful, cut on the outside edge of your line. Place your artwork drawing side down on some newspaper. Using a permanent black pen, such as a Sharpie, colour in the tops of the back, as this will be seen when you construct your sculpture. Put glue along the flap on the drawing side and put your box back together. You're going to need to hold it until it sticks. Next, using some cereal box, cut round a small saucer. This is going to be the base for your sculpture. Stick the sculpture to the base.